Welcome to the Money Express, where we bring you the latest and finest tactics in online earning. And in this video, it will all be about earning while watching videos. This can help you earn about $300 by just watching. But before that, welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free, and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. I realized that there is a wide range of ways of benefiting. However, the present strategy that I'll show you is really straightforward, that you might have been doing it for a long while now. Also, what I mean by this is watching recordings. I also realized that it might appear to be unimaginable, yet it's really feasible for you to bring in cash basically by watching recordings, and everything starts here. The primary thing you should do is watch this video and remain with me until the end so I can show you how. I will likewise show you some extra tips and alternate ways of multiplying or even to triple your pay. This strategy is accessible in all nations and it's a totally free technique. All you want now is a telephone or a PC to make it happen. It's additionally basic that anybody, including amateurs and individuals with no related knowledge, can make it work. Assuming that you're prepared to do this, then at that point, pause for a minute and watch the video, and try not to avoid any parts and give close consideration. The present site is called Zoombox.com, and on this site, there are different ways of bringing in cash, like noting studies, watching recordings, and doing offers. This is genuine and confided in this site that they won't just compensate you. However, they will likewise offer you gift vouchers from different huge organizations. Presently, as I recently expressed, there are numerous ways of benefiting, yet for this video, we will exclusively zero in on watching recordings, since this is a sort of thing you, as of now, do each day and will pay you the most with minimal measure of work. Before we begin, allow me to walk you through the cycle and how you can bring in cash. First, you want to join and finish your profile. So this fundamentally implies that you really want to make record. Second, they have a wide scope of channels with various substances, and select one that intrigues you. Third, you can begin watching the recordings, yet remember that you want to watch the whole video to bring in cash. Fourth, at that point, begin procuring and collecting focuses. Fifth, you can likewise have the choice to switch between channels, so you can generally track down recordings that you can watch. Lastly, you can recover your focuses either in real money or through gift vouchers. As may be obvious, these are the unconditional gift vouchers from the huge organizations that I referenced before. It's just basic, beginning with the initial step on the landing page, where you just sort in your email address and secret phrase, affirm it, and afterward, click the Sign Up Now button. To join quicker, you can utilize your Google record or sign up with Facebook. So whenever you're endorsed into your record, you will have the option to perceive how much cash you might actually acquire, just as perceive how much cash different clients have effectively procured, which can go from $200 to $500. You can acquire these amounts as long as you continue to watch recordings. Furthermore, assuming you run out of recordings, relax on the grounds that they're accessible. Recordings reset each and every day. To get everything rolling, go to your dashboard and snap on Watch, which is situated underneath the site's name in enormous text style. You will be shipped off a page where you can see an assortment of classes and recordings with different subjects like cooking DIY or irregular recordings, just as a number of focuses you can procure. Before we go any more profound, I'll give you an ideal opportunity to prefer the channel and offer it a major go-ahead, assuming that you love the video so far. Furthermore, you might find this video intriguing and enlightening, and kindly leave a comment below. Going back, when you click on any channel, you'll be taken to another information exchange page where you should finish up all of the necessary data to make a record. This is vital since In such case that you don't join and enlist on that particular site, you cannot bring in any cash whatsoever. For the reward tip, you can watch different recordings immediately, basically by opening and utilizing different tabs. Assuming that you have a sluggish web association, you can essentially bring down the video quality. Well, assuming you don't have any idea how, click on the stuff symbol on the lower right corner of the video and select 144p. Don't stress, as this won't influence the recording's sound, and you don't need to stress since this will just lower the quality of the recording. Not exclusively will this save your information and make the recordings play quicker, however, it will likewise permit you to look at however many recordings as you need without influencing the presentation of your PC. It's as simple as that. Also, whenever you're aggregated an adequate number of focuses, you will have the option to change over them into money or gift vouchers. As I recently expressed, in the event that we have additional time and still accept, we can achieve much more. You might take studies and procure somewhere in the range of 85 pennies to $5 and $10. Obviously, you need to get the most focus on cash, so pick the ones that wage the most. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!